Select My Account. Click on Add New. Select Link with Wallet Connect. Select Metamask. Review the details and select Verify and Sign. Your Metamask extension on your browser or mobile app will now pop up with a signature request. Review the message and select Sign or Confirm. Once confirmed, your blockchain address will be added successfully to your StraitsX account. Do note that verification of address with a digital asset platform may take up to 1 business day. StraitsX, stablecoin rails for real-world payments.